What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in today. That noise is my girlfriend. She's skating on the jack right there. But anyway, that's besides the point. This video, I actually am going to be redoing my detailing station. If you guys don't know, I own my own detailing and auto body business, which you can tell right here. We are working on polishing this truck up. This is my cousin Clayton's truck. It's a 99 2500. We did different wheels on it. Those are chrome XDs. I just got to finish it all up. There's compound everywhere. But this right here is what I'm going to be focusing on in this video. I just had this little, actually my girlfriend brought it home one day. And I was like, oh, that'd be perfect to put my detailing stuff on it. But I mean, it works good until you get a bunch of stuff. Like I kind of ran out of room for my jugs and stuff. I have stuff over in this cabinet up there, all my vacuum attachments, and just I have stuff everywhere. So what I did is I went to Walmart. Let me zoom in on it, and that piece right there is a 4-tier plastic shelving. I think the shelves said they hold up to like 150 pounds or 200 pounds a piece. So we're actually going to be taking this unit off the wall, and that unit will be replacing it. I'm hopefully going to be able to stick it in this area here. We might run into issues with like the cabinet here. I think we'll be fine, but I'm not sure. But then I can move all this stuff out. I want to get 2 garbage cans, one for clean rags, one for dirty rags. That's what I do with these bags here. I have clean rags and then dirty rags. But I want to get the trash bags, put a label on it, so everything is so much neater, organized. I can literally just grab a rag, grab, say, the Rain-X or the interior products over here or wheel, whatever I need, I can grab it and go, and then I just toss the dirty rag in the bin when I get done. So that being said, we are actually going to be breaking that open. We're going to be tossing it together and hopefully getting it slid back in this corner today. But yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. There we go. So it wasn't super hard to put together. Shayla and I kind of put our body weight in to make sure all these legs get locked in. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty simple. We might, I was asking her, would it make sense if we moved this shelf here over to that wall if it was big enough? I think it will be big enough. If that would make sense, because then you could kind of put that in there like that, more squared in there. Or, I don't know, we'll just have to mess with it, because I talked about putting the toolbox on that wall as well, and then putting that straight underneath of the cabinet here, but then I guess we wouldn't be able to use our top shelf. You'd be limited to your bottoms. But we're going to kind of look at this, kind of figure it out. It might stay like that for now, and go from there. So we're going to think about it for a minute and bring you guys back once we decide what we want to do. Well, there we go, guys. I think that looks pretty good over there. I did mention to Shaylin, or actually she mentioned to me, her and her friend Kiana, they actually have a daycare together, and those cabinets over there are like a little kitchen set. So those will be leaving here shortly. So I'll have that space open back there. We might be able to stick the big toolbox back there next to the bigger workbench. And then I have a little toolbox from Harbor Freight, the one that's got the lid that opens up and it's got 3 or 4 drawers. And then it's got like the open cabinet down in this area. We might be able to stick there with like all the sandpaper and just auto body type tools. So I think that's what we're gonna do. As far as that, I like it better set up like this, because when you put something on this wall, you really can't access anything on that shelf because of the toolbox is pushed over so far. So if we get the smaller toolbox, like, I mean, it's probably maybe like yay big. I mean, it's probably 3/4 the size of that. It's not as deep either. Actually, it's probably about as deep as this, maybe a little bit deeper. But it should fit in there perfect. So I think that's what we might end up doing, is moving this big box over there once she gets that stuff out of there. And then, like I said, this box I'd like to be able to roll around. So say we got a tractor or we're working on the 79 or something, I just can roll the whole box over here, be working on whatever I'm doing. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a little bit of an update here in the shop. We have all our pieces, our 2x4s to finish out the roof. The guys should be coming for the heater right here. I think this week they're coming. So that should be getting hooked up, and I think that's pretty much it. Like Shaylin said, those should be leaving here shortly. I want to get a vise and stuff up here yet. Need to put a support bracket in the middle of the bench because it does kind of bow down. But other than that, just a lot of odd and end stuff we need to pick up, like all our scrap wood and stuff. But obviously we'll wait till we get all this done up here. But be sure to smash that subscribe button, guys. We have a lot of content coming for this. We are going to end up making custom track bars for this. We'll be doing a mount back there, and probably coming up in this location there's a mount here. But I'm going to be fabbing all that stuff up myself, welding it all. We'll do, I don't know if we're going to powder coat them or paint them or what we're going to do. I have the new steering shaft from like an XJ Jeep that a lot of guys do that we'll be doing to this. We just have a lot of content coming up. We have a lot of stuff on the 98, like new body bushings. We have airbags up there. We have new fenders for it, new bed. Gonna try and get all that stuff done, and probably have some footage of my sister's Jeep as well, doing new fuel tank, sending unit, stuff like that in it. And then I might actually get some footage of me finishing up Clayton's truck here. I'm currently in the process of polishing it up. As you can tell how mirror shine image that is. Got a little few imperfections here and there. We have some deeper scratches. I'm going to come back and hit with 3000 and 5000 grit sandpaper, get those out. But if you guys like content like this, be sure to stick around, smash that subscribe button. We're constantly working in the shop on truck stuff like this, on farm equipment. It's going to be, I mean, insane the next couple months. Like I said, we're going to be cranking out some awesome videos on this truck here. So if you like the older stuff, be sure to stick around. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. Be sure to smash that thumbs up. Hit the bell notification so you know every time we upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.